Hello, and welcome to the Design Power Pro Tip series, where Gates experts share details on how to create power transmission drives using Gates Design Power software. I'm Tony Johnson, and I'm located in our headquarters building here in Denver, Colorado. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert a roller chain drive to a premium synchronous product to save energy, maintenance hours, and overall downtime. To do this, we're going to assume a certain set of customer parameters. First, they have a 1750 RPM motor. Directly coupled to that motor is a 13-to-1 gearbox. They're running single strand number 80 chain. Their center distance is 27.5 inches, but they have some flexibility either way. They're running an 18-tooth driver sprocket and a 24-tooth driven sprocket. The output shaft of the gearbox is 1.5 inches, and the driven piece of equipment has a shaft that's 2.25 inches. Using that, we're going to go ahead and open up our Design Power program on your computer. Now, what you'll see is very similar to what I have on my screen right now. Yours might look slightly different depending upon your accessibility levels, but that's okay, because all we're going to do is focus on Design Flex Pro. To get started, let's go ahead and click the Design Flex Pro icon. All right, now that we're in, the first step we're going to want to do is clear the pre-selected belt in the upper left-hand corner. To do that, we're going to hit Clear Belts. Next, we're going to want to go ahead and hit Change Belts at the very top. Now in here, you're going to have the option of selecting Synchronous, V-belt, tension only, or replace roller chain. Since in this example, we want to replace the roller chain drive, we're going to click on that. Now number 80 chain is considered an ANSI chain. So click that and drop down, and then we'll select T80. Once that's selected, we'll hit Apply Belt Choices. Now here's where we're going to have all the information we're going to put into the program. One thing you'll notice is that there's no information here on the gearbox. So I'm going to click on this bottom bar. That's going to bring us to additional information. And here's where we're going to be able to input the rest of that drive parameters. So we have a 1750 motor. That's great. Here's our gearbox section where we have a 13-to-1. That'll automatically calculate the output RPM, which is great. Our known driver size was 18 tooths. So we're going to put that in there. Our shaft diameter was 1.5 inches. So that's 1.5. Our center distance nominally is 27.5. And since we don't know the exact adjustment, we're going to leave it at the default plus or minus 10%. Now again, we don't know anything about the application, so we'll leave it at the default service factor of 1.6. Here we'll add our driven pulley, which we know was a 24 tooth. So we'll put 24 here, and our shaft diameter was 2.25 inches, so 2.25. Once we hit that, we'll hit apply. We'll come back here, and now we'll see that everything is filled out to what we know of the system. And we'll hit Design. And that is how to use Design Power to convert a roller chain drive to a premium synchronous belt drive system. Thank you for watching this Design Power Pro Tips video. If you enjoyed this video, go to Gates' YouTube channel for more Pro Tips content. And if you need more support, feel free to contact our Power Transmission Product Application Engineering team by sending an email to ptpasupport@gates.com or calling us at 303-744-5800.